This dome promises to transform your garden into a modern paradise, according to the manufacturers. Let's look at the details. The dome measures 9.6, can accommodate up to 12 people, made from polycarbonates, which is incredibly durable, being 200 times stronger than glass. Thanks to its smart design, the dome provides protection from snow, rain, and even winds up to 100 km/h. Plus, it's built to last over 10 years, and it will maintain its fresh appearance thanks to the UV-protected polycarbonate panels. You can set up the dome on your own in about 4 hours, as all the necessary assembly tools are included. Keeping it in good condition is simple too. Just give it a periodic watering with a hose and a wipe. The price for this dome is approximately $1,200. The founder of the Dutch company Flexitals is often called the godfather of glamping. He has been in the business so long that it's said that even Napoleon himself stayed in a Flex hotel. Now let's talk about why these mobile hotels are a hit at concerts and festivals. First off, you can transport 20 suites in just one truck. A standard suite is 7.2, can comfortably house 3 or 4 people. Inside, you'll find 2 separate rooms with lockable doors, along with beds, mattresses, power outlets, and cabinets. What's even more impressive is how quickly these mobile hotels can be set up to 150 of them in a single day, depending on the version. The UN reports that as of May 2023, there were approximately 110 million refugees and internally displaced individuals globally. That's more than the entire population of Germany. In response, companies worldwide are working on addressing the challenge of providing reasonably comfortable accommodations for such a large number of people. A solution comes in the form of these foldable shelters. They offer the versatility of tents combined with the sturdiness of camping trailers. Notably, they can be set up in just 11 minutes without the need for tools, and they can comfortably house up to 8 people. Plus, these shelters can adapt to various purposes, such as serving as a medical center or a storage space. Additionally, for every 11 shelters sold, the manufacturer donates one to refugee camps across the globe. Alaska Defense is well known for making complete tent camps. Their camps aren't just used by the U.S. military, but also for NATO forces and international groups. The key is that Alaska Defense tents are super adaptable. That means they work for both military and civilian jobs. They can be set up as mobile repair bases, hospitals, kitchens, temporary shelters, and even as airplane hangars. These tents come in widths from 2.4 to 46 meters, and they can be as long as you need. That means that they can hold from 50 to 5,000 people. They last about 10 years in the field and can be stored for about 20 years. Plus, Alaska Defense has all the gear you need, like heaters and power systems. Here we have a Russian-designed hangar. The Russian Ministry of Emergency Situations uses these hangars for aircraft and helicopter repairs. It's a substantial structure in this version, measuring 40 by 45 by 22 meters, providing ample room even for an Un-74 airplane. Setting up this hangar takes some time, a solid 80 hours. However, it comes with pneumatic gates that are 37 by 13 meters in size, plus heating, lighting, and a fire alarm system. The manufacturing company is flexible and can build hangars for various purposes and in different configurations. For instance, you could order a gym hangar with customizable shapes and sizes. No foundation is necessary for installation, and an automatic blower with intelligent control ensures the right pressure is maintained. Need a 296 square meter 2-story home built in just 4 days? Look no further than the American company Mighty Buildings. They make it happen using robotics and 3D printing, which is why they work more than 3 times faster than their competitors. What's more, their construction methods generate a mere 1% of the waste generated using traditional methods. Quality is a given since 80% of their production is automated. Plus, they're flexible with floor plans, facade textures, and house colors to match your preferences. And the material they use is 5 times stronger than concrete when it comes to tension and bending, all while being 30% lighter. These houses can last over 50 years. It's no wonder Mighty Buildings has secured over $100 million in financing. Let's talk about the garden buildings from the British company Mercia Garden. They're quite impressive in scale. With over 100,000 buildings shipped to customers each year, Mercia Garden is up for a variety of projects. Need a 3 by 2.5 meter summer house with big windows and French doors? Not a problem. Looking for something for your dog? They got you covered with special dog runs and kennels. The craftsmen at Mercia Garden use FSC certified wood as their primary material, which means that it's sourced in strict accordance with laws and environmental standards. Thanks to their skilled processing, they offer a 10-year guarantee against rotting for structures like summer houses. The Estonian company, Maru, sure knows how to be creative. Imagine a versatile trailer that can triple in size. The XL version of this trailer offers a roomy 30 space. You can turn it into anything from an office to a barber shop. Inside, you'll find insulation and a Mitsubishi split system, so you'll stay comfy, whether it's a scorching 50 degrees Celsius or a freezing minus 40 degrees Celsius outside. For worry-free power, you can add solar panels. Setting up this trailer is a breeze, taking just 8 minutes. You can start it up the traditional way with a button, or do it remotely from your smartphone. Meanwhile, the Italian team at Office Scene, Stefanuto, is heading in the same direction with their expandable trailer, which can grow by half its size. It's perfect for quick meetings or as a cozy office for small remote teams, and it comes equipped with a sink, a shower, and a toilet. There's even space for office equipment like printers, and up to 5 people can work comfortably inside. The Chinese company TTH operates on a grand scale, boasting 50,000 production space. They're well known for their budget-friendly prefabricated houses. Setting up a typical 40 square meter house takes just 8 hours, and it's built to last for around 50 years. These houses can withstand earthquakes, 250 winds, and heavy snowfall. What is even more appealing is the wide range of furniture options that perfectly complement the house. You'll find choices for beds, nightstands, tables, sofas, and more. Speaking of popularity, did you know that Tesla CEO Elon Musk lives in a modest 37 square meter modular home? This fact is being used by many modular home sellers for marketing. For instance, a Chinese company markets their homes as a house like Musk's and offers various sizes and layouts, including a 37 square meter house with 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, kitchen, and a living room. Now let's take a look at this solution. This is the most innovative foldable container technology, according to the Hungarian company that created it. They've been making good progress with these containers, even showcasing them at the 2019 World Ski Championships. They've also managed to sell these containers in 18 different countries. These containers can be easily moved and unfolded using a forklift. When fully unfolded, the CN10 container takes up to 7.2 space. It comes with 5220 volts, outlets, LED lighting, plastic doors and windows as standard features. If customers want, they can even add an air conditioner and a heater for larger events. These containers can be stacked on top of each other to create a mini hotel. Speaking of hotels, many guests staying in these mini hotels might be looking for food, drinks, and souvenirs. That's where the clever Hungarians also come in. They've created special retail units. These containers are about 6 meters long, providing enough space for multiple cooks and sellers to work comfortably. Setting up and taking down these units only takes about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, an equally intriguing and more compact solution is offered by the American company Astor Stages. Installing this mobile stage takes even less time, from 45 to 60 minutes. The stage itself measures 35 square meters, making it suitable for concerts or performances. Moreover, the stage's height is adjustable, ranging from 2.7 to 3.4 meters. When not in use, it can be folded into a trailer that can easily be towed away by a pickup truck like the Ford F-150. Let's wrap things up with these inflatable structures. Some market them as party tents, while others promote them as warehouses, retail units, or exhibition centers. However, the advantages of most models are quite similar. Firstly, they can be set up rapidly. For instance, a versatile inflatable hanger covering 134 square meters takes just about an hour to assemble. Secondly, there's no need for bother foundation preparations, and thirdly, these structures are suitable for various climates, with many models designed to handle temperatures ranging from -45 to +55 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video.